See, I get everything that you need. Ain't nobody gonna do it like me. Hey, what's up, Krishna? What's happening, man? What's happening, brother? Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's happening? What's going on? Hello, hello, hello. What's going on? What's up, guys? Yo, Aman, what's up? What's up, Aziz? What's up, Karan? What's up, Praveen? What's up, Raman? Raman. Oh, what's going on, boys? How is everybody? Everybody good? And you make me feel like it burns. Yeah, Praveen, I just sent that out to the VIP group. I just said no trades at the moment because we have unemployment rate coming up on GBP. And you do not want to be in the markets when you see news, high impact news, such as unemployment rate, inflation, potentially GDP, interest rates. You want to stay out of the markets during that. Good wishes, bro. Hope you're doing good. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. How are you doing? Satvir Singh. How's everyone doing? Just learning a lot. Nice. Where are you learning, brother? What are you doing to you meaning you're learning Forex? You're learning trading? Is that what you're learning? Or something else? And you make me feel like it burns and it hurts. See, ideally I would be looking for buys on GJ here, but we broke this structure here to the downside. You see the support that was created. You see prices broke that. Although we didn't close below, it rejected quite nicely and then pushed back up to the upside. But that structure did get broken. And now, so we broke lows and we broke highs. So we broke these lows first, and then we came up and broke these highs. So again, GJ isn't really in any position at the moment. It's kind of, it's not really buys or sells. So all we can do is wait for an employment rate and see what happens. How I classify my LP zone? Oh, that's classified information, man. That's classified information, my guy. Is that music too loud? LP zones. LP zones are very simple. I'll do this for you. Right, this is the daily candle, and this is the 15-minute chart. Right, so you can see the LP zones there, and I'll let you figure that out for yourself. So here you can see this day closed, this day opened, and here you can see the LP zone. I'll let you figure that one out for yourself. Figure that one out for yourself. The music is there. It's just very, I don't want it to be loud. I just want it to be in the background. So it should just be in the background. It should just be in the background. Yeah, it's just like in the background a little bit now. Maybe turn down a little bit. See, ideally, really, I was looking for buys above here at this point, but like I said, we've got unemployment rate coming, so I'm not going to trade until we've had this high impact news. Learning Forex through personal experience and people like me. Oh, that's good, man. Yeah, I should probably do some more educational content on my YouTube. The thing I'm looking at, you see, as well, if we take a look at the daily time frame, right? If I just turn this off and I go to the daily time frame and I just mark out from this point, right? So from this point, we had what have we had? News look like you're gonna drive price up. What am I expecting for news? I'm not expecting anything really. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I'm not a news trader. I'm not a hero. I stay away from news. I'm not trying to trade it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait and see what happens, and then we'll go from there. But I'm not gonna try and guess if it's gonna go up or down. Or, I'm not a fundamental trader. I am. What's a news thing now? Forex. What is it? Forex. Factory. I haven't used it in a while. I can hear my daughter crying. Where is it? GBP. Yeah. Unemployment rate. Here it has it on low impact. But it is definitely a high impact news event. Unemployment rate. I don't know why they only have it as low impact on here, but yeah. So we've got claimant count change, and we've also got average earnings index, and we've also got unemployment rate. And employment rate really is the big one. Forecast is 4.3. Previous is 4.2. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Actual less than forecast is good for currency, right? So it's forecasted to go up. It's forecasted to increase. The employment rate is forecast to increase. But yeah, we'll wait and see. If it is 4.3, that means it's gone up 0.1%. And if it's, obviously if it's 4.2, it means it stayed the same or it's gone down. So we'll see what happens. They're expecting it. Forex Factory is saying forecast. They're expecting to increase, increased unemployment rates, which means more people are unemployed, which obviously is going to be bad for pound, which is going to be bad for the currency. But if we go back to GJ, what we can see here since September 6th is downtrend, right? Because we have this high right here, which didn't get broken. We have a bearish candle, like a bearish engulfing candle. We have highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? So from the daily perspective, in terms of highs and lows, price is in a downtrend. So really, the other thing that I'm looking at and I'm keeping an eye on is the fact that this weekly candle, you can see this is our current weekly candle, has opened with no top wick, right? You see it's just opened straight away, crashed, made a bottom wick. You can see if we go back to the 15, that first 15-minute candle for Monday, this was market open here on Monday yesterday, right? This massive 15-minute candle all the way down. So price hasn't made a top wick for the weekly candle. So that's why I was looking at buys today, because I feel like we're gonna end up coming into this level right here. And beyond that to create a top wick, right? For the weekly perspective from the weekly candle. But if we just zoom out here, we can see from the daily perspective, price is in this downtrend, right? From just daily highs and daily lows, we can see a downtrend right here. Make more shorts. Yeah, I need to do more shorts. Bright the color of lines you recently draw. Bright the color of lines you recently draw. What does that mean, dude? What do you mean by that? Bright the color of lines. So yeah, that's why I was looking for buys above this level. Looks like we would have been triggered in at this point. We would have. But like I said, I'm not trading until after news. The trade would have been something like this. Straight up into that previous level there. So this was the trade I was looking at, but like I said, I'm not taking this trade because of unemployment rate coming up here in the next half an hour. So but this would have been today's trade. So we'll see how this plays out. Man, it's a hot day today in Australia, in Melbourne. First hot day we've had in a while. We're coming out of winter and it's a beautiful day out there. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. What do I use 1-to-1? It's the most consistent for me. If you have this is the thing, right? This is where most people get confused. If you have a high win rate, meaning you win a lot more than you lose, of course, then there's nothing wrong with the 1-to-1. If you have a low win rate and say you lose 3 trades, but you count on that one trade that's going to give you a 1-to-5, so then at least you're in 2%, then I can understand higher risk reward. But I have a very high win rate in my trading, in my strategy, and yeah, for me, a 1-to-1 is more consistent. You're not trying to capture You're not trying to capture a massive move of like, you know, all the way up here. You're not trying to have a really tight stop loss of like 5 pips and getting stopped out all the time. You can just set your trade, relax, and get your you know, get your profits. For example, you know, we have one-to-one winning trades, but most of them are over 30-40 pips, right? Most of our trades are over 30-40 pips, so you're still getting a lot of pips, but you're just giving your trade more room to play out. You're having a bit bigger stop loss so that you're not getting stopped out all the time and stressing. You can set your trade, you can be confident in your trade because your stops are a little bigger, and you can give kind of the trade a chance to play out. But yeah, we still catch a lot of pips. Hey, I just want to ask if you did the YouTube video on fib retracement on gold. I started it, but then I did do one, but then I didn't like it. I watched some of it back afterwards, and I didn't like the video. I need to think about how I can explain it better so that it's better understood by you guys. So I'm gonna record another one, and then I'll upload it, or I'll see how that one is. But yeah, what's up, Kushal? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do FEs. I just want to make sure the video is a good video if I'm going to be uploading it, and I want to make sure it makes sense, and I want to make sure that everyone understands it the best that they can, and I want to explain it the best way I can. Most of them in live are from India. Most of the people, I know. People from India love Forex trading. How did I feel yesterday? Pretty good. Nigeria. See, we got Nigeria in the house. What's going on, Carol? Nigeria, that's crazy. About not getting 100 likes on. Oh, like, I'm fine, bro. It doesn't bother me, you know. I'm still trading. And of course now people in the VIP will still be trading, but you know, it's 100 likes. There's how many people we got in the Telegram right now? We got 891 people in the Telegram, and I think 100 likes should be pretty easy to achieve. And it just helps my YouTube channel get some traction, you know. Like, I'm giving out free signals. All I ask for is 100 likes. So if people can't, you know, if we can't get 100 likes on a video, then I'm not doing shit for free anymore, you know. 100 likes is still free, but it just helps my YouTube channel out a little bit, and you guys still get free trades, you know. It's not that hard. We've got almost 900 people. No, I'm not pissed about it. I'm not pissed about it. I'm not pissed about it, bro. I'm good. And as you know, people in the VIP are still going to get trades if you don't want to miss out. But 100 likes, maybe next time I'll do 50. But 50 or 75. But yeah, we should be able to get 100 with 900 people in the Telegram. Should be pretty easy. It literally takes 2 minutes. All you gotta do is click on the YouTube video, click the like button, and then close, you know. But it is what it is. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Swami. 100%. Which is like, that's fine, you know. I don't expect people to. I know how the world works, you know. I know what people are like. I've dealt with a lot of people in my life, and people just, you know, they just want to take. And they won't even do something that's for free, you know. Like, they won't even just like a YouTube video to get them something that benefits them, that helps them, you know. So I'm cool. Trust me, I'm happy. I'm happy here trading by myself in my office, you know. I share my trades with people and I share my journey because I like to do it. So it's whatever. USD JPY. Let's take a look. Does anybody else here trade USD JPY? Oh, it looks very similar to GJ. This is GJ, this is USD JPY. It's very similar. So potentially the same kind of thing here. Let's have a look at the monthly. Monthly is, of course, very bullish, but we have some resistance coming up that we're potentially going to be tapping into very soon. Looks like we are currently rejecting our previous monthly highs. I might change these. I might change these to yellow, so we know that's a resistance. We have current monthly highs that are being tested at the moment. We have made a bottom wick with the monthly candle, and it looks like we're trying to continue bullish. Let's take a look at the previous weekly. So previous weekly closed above this previous monthly candle high. So what could happen here now is, although we have broken previous weekly lows, but that's okay because we could be making this bottom wick, and potentially UJ could now flip for the rest of the week and continue bullish up into these levels. But of course, we would have to find a better entry than that. This one, forgot which, not structure. So that's the weekly. Weekly's bullish, monthly's bullish. We are coming into a monthly resistance up here, which will be interesting here on UJ. But let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, we had that big daily pullback candle here from Monday yesterday. And you can see price kind of tested on this area. So this was the previous monthly high. Price kind of tested the bottom of this area now from the daily perspective, right? We've retested this previous monthly low, weekly low, broke it, closed back inside of this range, testing. So potentially UJ potentially could go bullish from here up until this point, as long as everything starts matching. We want to see a daily bullish candle closure here on UJ. I would wait for today's candle to potentially close, or to potentially see some kind of structure here on the 4-hour time frame. We've got this level in the market, obviously, which price has broken below. What can we use here? Let's use this, but let's take off that and that. So yeah, we've got this level of structure now, tapped into this support, previous weekly low, rejected, started moving up. Price has broke structure to the downside. We have got this low, and price is retesting it. So what you'd want to see is price start bouncing above here and break above here, and then you can potentially look for buys once you start to see that bullish trend come back into the market here on the lower time frames, such as the 4-hour, the 1-hour. But price is currently rejecting this support level, which obviously, like I said, you want to see that break, and you can potentially look to get a break and a retest of this level. Look for rejection price action. You can look to take buys up here, I would say, because overall everything else is pretty bullish. Monthly, weekly, Now you want to see a date, like I said, you want to see a daily bullish closure, and then you want to start seeing some nice bullish market structure here on the lower time frames, right? Start climbing, and you can start to look for your entries. But like I said, you want to wait for this resistance that's currently being formed to be broken, and you want to see this test the support, and then you can start looking for buys. I would say above these levels here. All right. Yeah. In terms of like a intraday trade or a scalp trade, I would say, yeah, there's not really much yet because of this resistance. So you'd have to wait and see what happens here. Bro, you are providing funded account? What does that mean? Providing funded account? Do I have a, are you asking me if I have a funded like company? That music, why does that music sound so loud? We'll wait for news here in 20 minutes and we'll see what happens. Can you give me a funded account? Did you ever took? No, I've never taken a prop firm challenge, never. I was about to. I was going to do it for a YouTube video, for some YouTube content. To show you guys like me passing a funded account, but then all this stuff happened with my Forex funds. They got, I don't know what's happening with them, but is it my Forex funds? Yeah, I think my Forex funds. Whatever's happening with them, so now I'm just like, nah, forget it. I'm not doing it. And Kushal, to your question, can I give you a funded account? No, I can't. Kushal, to your question, can I give you a funded account? No, I can't. Where's the music gone? Your money got stuck? Yeah, that sucks, man. That sucks. Movies, we're waiting for unemployment rate here in 20 minutes. So I don't trade high impact news events. So we're just going to wait and see what happens on unemployment here. Sorry. Yeah, I only trade with my own money. It's everything I trade with is all my own. Sorry. Yeah, I only trade with my own money. It's everything I trade with is. Yeah, the volumes are fine. So what you want to do instead of doing funded accounts, what you can do is you can focus on your record. You can track your whole record of trades for years. Whatever you want to use, Google Sheets, whatever it is, as long as you track it all and write it all down and show it, and you can prove with an account your track record, then you can approach investors and approach people who have money, who are willing to invest, and you can show them your portfolio. You can show them your record throughout the years of your percentages and how much profit you've made, and etc, etc. And then those people are going to be willing to invest in you. Trust me, that's a better way to do it. After yesterday's market open, do you think the trend has changed? Not yet, right? As you can see, we have daily. The trend won't change until we have a break of daily structure here, right? As you can see, we have daily highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So that's why I've marked out this gray level right here, because this is the most recent level of structure. So as long as price stays below this gray area, price is remaining bearish, right? But the reason I was looking for buys today is because of yesterday's candle open, we haven't made a top wick yet, right? It's not saying that we have to make a top wick for the weekly or the daily. Not saying that, but generally, if price hasn't made a top wick for the new weekly candle and it just drove straight down and made a bottom wick, then there's a high chance or a probability that price is going to continue up at some point and create that top wick, which is then going to break this daily structure, right? And then potentially we might see that structure to the upside form. We might flip bullish, but at the moment we're still overall bearish as long as we stay below this gray zone. There is a swing breaking the previous high, and now it has created a higher low. So I mean, this is multi-time period charts. And basically I'm on the 15-minute chart, and this is just showing me the daily candles right here on the 15-minute chart. So we can see, because you can change the color to whatever you want, but I have it gray. So gray means it closed bearish and we have highs and lows, and blue means it closed bullish and we have highs and lows, right? So it's called multi-time period charts. Spam me your Insta ID. There's a swing breaking the previous high, and now it has created a higher low. We got news here soon. If you guys want me to look at any other pairs, let me know. Also, thank you, Mia TZ. I know you subbed to the YouTube channel a little while ago. I forgot to call that out, but thank you for the sub. What's your view about news, negative or positive on GJ? So we did have a look at that a little bit earlier. Movies. So we can see right here we got unemployment rate, and what Forex Factory is saying is that they expect employment rate to increase, right? So that's what they expect. So it to go from 4.2 to 4.3, so that's an increase of 0.1. So if that is the case, then that's a negative effect for the pound, because that means more unemployment, more people are unemployed. So yeah, that would be a negative effect on the pound, but we can't. That's what they are saying. That is the forecast, but we don't know actual numbers yet, so we just have to wait and see. Your patience is awesome. That's learned from more than 6 years of trading. I used to be a very impatient person when I first started trading, and before trading I used to be very impatient, very impulsive on my decisions, but I quickly learned that, you know, you can't be impatient in trading and you can't be impulsive. You have to remain calm. So thank you, I appreciate that comment. Hello, Midhun. Actually, I get confused when there is move like that, you know, is the indicator reversal or continuation of the trend. Yeah, it's very hard to read, Swami, and that's why I go off of daily and weekly highs, because all we can look at right now is the fact that the daily time frame, daily candles are in a downtrend, right? And that's all we have to look at. No matter, it doesn't matter what anything else is doing. All we need to look at right now is the fact that we have lower highs and lower lows, right? On the daily perspective, that is a higher time frame perspective, and that is going to be the best for you in understanding the market structure and the current market trend. All right, so we don't need to worry about anything else other than daily highs and daily lows, And what right now what they are telling us on GJ is that we are in a downtrend, right? Clear downtrend. And until this level gets broken, right, this level, then price remains in a downtrend, right? So that's what we need to look at right now. So more likely GJ will be bullish today. If we're going off of the numbers that Forex Factory are quoting us, then GJ, yes. Wait, you've confused me now. No, it will be bearish, right? Because pound will get weaker. That means, yeah. So it would be bearish, right? Pound would get weaker, which means yen would get stronger. So from the numbers that Forex Factory are telling us, then if we're following these numbers, who knows if they're correct or not, then it's negative for pound, which means it will go down, which means the yen then would go up, but pound would go down. For GBP, it would be for cross pairs. For GBP, it will be VE for cross pairs. Which one? I'm not sure what that question. I'm not sure what you're asking there. Shivara. Shiv. I'm just gonna call you Shiv. I'm not sure what you're asking there. But I don't trade pound USD. I only trade pound yen. Man, that was very helpful. Thank you for clarifying. Yeah, no worries. Just stick to you can still trade from the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame. You can still trade from the lower time frames, but you always need to look at the higher time frames, specifically the daily, right? You always want to make sure, because you can still catch big moves every single day by looking at the daily time frame, not necessarily going onto the daily time frame and going like this, oh yeah, we have a resistance up here, or we have a support down here, etc. But mainly just focusing on the individual candles and the highs and the lows, and if they close bearish or bullish, right? This is important if you're trying to scalp or intraday trade on any pair. You always want to be conscious and wary of the daily candles and if they've closed bearish, and where the highs are and where the lows are. And then that's going to help you massively in your trading, scalping or intraday trading or even swing trading. Bro, can we short GU? I mean, you can do whatever the hell you want, my guy. I have no idea what's happening with GU. Yo, thank you for the sub, Shiv. Thank you. Short. Kusha, explain to me why you want to short GBP USD. I want to hear your explanation. This is GU. Let's have a look. So GU has a bullish previous daily candle, right? So yesterday's candle closed bullish. But the same thing happened here with pound, right? On USD, we didn't create a bottom wick for the weekly. We only have a top wick. Price has formed a resistance. So again, there's a high probability that price is going to come down and retest this level and potentially further down, because of the fact that we had no bottom wick here created for the weekly candle so far. If we look at the weekly, this week's, you can see no bottom wick. Price has just flipped straight bullish, potentially creating a top wick. And then what happened with last week's weekly candle? It closed bearish, a very strong bearish candle, right? So there's a high probability here that GU is going to continue bearish. And I would say from the weekly perspective, you're looking at this overall level where we can drive into. But yeah, GU is looking decent for sales. But of course, you have to find entries, right? You have to find the right entries. So this is previous weekly candle. We've had a bullish candle, pullback candle yesterday, potentially tapping into these levels right here. So you could even see price come further up into this level before we sell off. But what you want to be looking for really is structure. You want to see a bearish daily candle closure before anything. So, and you want to start to see some bearish market structure happening. Also got this level that price has rejected, and then you want to start seeing price break some kind of support. So we've got like this little area in here which acted as support, resistance, and now support. So you could potentially look at a little break and retest of this level potentially to come down, or what you can do is wait for a daily bearish candle closure. So we don't have a bearish candle closure yet. We've got a very strong bullish candle closure. So what you can do is wait for a bearish daily candle closure, and then you can start to look for sells from there. But overall, at the moment, I wouldn't say sell, mainly because of this level. So maybe you want to look for price to come under this level, and then you can sell it. I only look at GJ and gold because of their volatility. Are there any other pair with the same volatility rate? Good question, and that's something that I've been looking at as well. But not really. I think GJ has a perfect balance, mainly because we have Asian session and then we have London session, right? We don't have crossover sessions, whereas GBP USD, it has London and New York session, which cross over, which can make the pair very, there's not one dominant pair there. Whereas when Asian session closes, yen pairs have low liquidity, and then pound session starts, pound pairs have high liquidity, high volume, and so pound, whichever way that move is going to go, pound just dominates it, right? And that's why I like pound yen. But yeah, there is potentially some pairs that I have been looking at, but I'm not too sure yet. If you find any, Swami, then let me know. That means it will mitigate the OB and go down to create a lower low. See, I know you're talking about order blocks and things like that, but I have no idea about order blocks, Afiz, so I can't answer that question. I don't trade order blocks because because of my setup. What's your setup, Kusha? What's your GU setup? Are you in the Discord, Kusha? Are you in the Discord channel? The Discord group? I have sell trade in GJ. Should I close it now? Because news, it's completely up to you, bro. I'm not. From my experience, I don't like trading news because it's a 50-50, right? If it's gonna go in your direction or not, it's a complete 50-50. So I don't like news, but you do whatever you want to do, man. If you're in the trade, you're confident, do what you gotta do, bro. We always need to believe in our setup. That is correct, Shiv. GN is also volatile, but I don't feel like trading. GN, yeah, also GBP AUD. I have been looking at GBP AUD, but yeah, honestly, I'm happy with GJ. I don't need to trade another pair. I can make more than enough money off trading GJ alone than any other pair. Like, I don't need to trade any other pair. Once you have a big enough capital, and we talked about this in the last stream, what you should be focusing on, you shouldn't be focusing on 10-15 pairs. You should be focusing on one pair, and you should be focusing on building your capital, right? So keep putting money in your trading account, save, make profits on your account by trading one pair, and eventually you will have enough money, you will have a big enough trading account where you will make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 off one trade on GJ, and that should be your goal for the future, right? You shouldn't be worrying about trying to trade 20 different pairs. Focus on one or two maximum, and focus on building your capital, being consistent, and eventually at some point down the line, 5 years, however long, you're going to get to that stage where you're going to be making a lot of money off of trading one pair. And you're not going to need to look at all different kind of pairs, right? You're not part of the Discord group. I'll load the Discord and I'll put it in the chat, and then you can join and just post your chart in there, and we can take a look at your analysis. All right, if you want to, you don't have to. 0.5 lot. Man, I literally bunked my CLG and watching your live. Oh, that's not good, bro. You're gonna get in trouble, man. Here we go. So, whoops, not that one. Invite, edit link, never. All right, I'm gonna put it in the chat. Anyone in here who wants to join the Discord, you can click that. But Kushal, join Discord and send in your chart to which, I don't know, maybe your trades or members chat, whichever one. And we'll take a look at your setup. How long we got here? We got 4 minutes until the unemployment rate. And if anyone else wants to send in their analysis as well, you can join the Discord and just send it in one of the chats here. Send it in your trades maybe, or actually just send it in members chat. I'm going to delete this chat. Send it in members chat. Let's see. 3 minutes. Also, for the guys in the VIP as well, if you guys are in here, I'm going to be making a GJ strategy video for you, which I'm going to be uploading this week at some point. And that's going to be a little insight on how I trade GJ. That's going to be available in the VIP group. And it's going to help you understand how I trade so you can follow along with the trades a little bit better. Today's signal, movies. I told you this before, but we're waiting for news here on unemployment. It's in 2 minutes, right? We're waiting for news on unemployment. We're going to see what the market does. We're going to see price respect structure here, or if it breaks structure to the downside. Whatever happens, we're gonna wait and see what happens. But no trade, no signals until after news. All right. Man, I see a lot of price on my price scale. Price on my price scale. What are you setting? Only showing your current candle price and candle countdown time. Are you talking about this? Where is it? Yeah, so you want to just leave on last, and then you want to turn off all of these because these are going to give you like a lot of stuff. Or is it scales? And then symbol last price. And then turn off this, turn off, oh yeah, so turn off all of this stuff, high and low. In, you know, turn off all this crap, symbol name. Just leave on symbol last price, value according to scale. All right, here we go. News, has just dropped. Let's see what happens. Unemployment. So they have indeed, let's have a look. This one is saying that they have increased it by 1%. It hasn't, they haven't increased it, but it's increased, all right? But if there's good news here on the claimant count change, then this could potentially push. Also, it is good news, yeah. So these ones here could potentially push price bullish here on GJ. The claimant count change, which is positive news, and average earnings, which is positive news, even though unemployment has increased, and that's why we're seeing this spike up here. So let's just see what happens. So, or US, you said, I have a sell trade on GJ. Should I close because of news? Did you get stopped out? Or are you still in this trade? And this is why I don't trade news. High impact news. Because what's the bet? It's going to flip bearish here now and drive down. Yeah, GU did the same. GU spiked up. News. It wasn't that much of a reaction in the market. We did, it did spike up a little bit, but it wasn't as big of a reaction as I was expecting. It's not 65. It's $25. It's $25, Tiger. I think your stop loss got hit. Honestly speaking, only experienced trader can trade GJ successfully and be profitable. You could say that about any pair. You could say that about anything. But yeah, I love GJ. I absolutely love GJ. I love trading GJ. It's so easy to trade once you understand how she moves, how she works. It's so easy to trade. You just got to put in the time. Currently I only set it up yesterday and I've got 5 people so far. Is this you, Tiger? It's now paid. It's not now paid. Like I've said, if you listen, I'm still going to be posting free signals in the free Telegram as long as I get likes on YouTube. That's it. That's all I ask for, bro. Likes on a YouTube video. And if you can't afford $25, then you shouldn't be trading Forex. You should walk away from trading right now if you can't afford $25. 100%. Trust me, listen to me. If you can't afford $25, walk away from trading, go and get some food, pay your rent, feed your family. Don't worry about trading, bro. Trust me. If you want to make money trading Forex, you need to have money. Tiger, it's not $65, bro. It's literally $25. Tiger, look right here, yeah? Ready? Watch this. What does that say? $25 for 1 month? 25. Oh, yeah, 25, not 65. Yeah. This guy hasn't got a clue, man. Did you post your chart? Did you post your chart? Kusha? There's no setup yet, movies. No setup yet. Looks like GU had a bigger reaction to the news here. Look at that candle on GU. Big spike up. We got 6 minutes left of this 15-minute candle. Bum, 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 bum. Interesting. Is anyone in here swing trade? If the candle closes above 1839, 1839. Are you talking about this like little level right here? Yeah, I mean, looks, yeah, potentially. But then you're gonna run into like this resistance up here, like this previous daily high, which, like I said, it could be a target for us, but there's not much of a gap in here. It's like 20 pips. I'm selling GJ. That'll be a 50 pip move. Let's see. Let's see, brother. Let's have a look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see I was looking for buys here on AU. Nice little 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. I'm pretty sure I called this out in the here we go. See this? This was on the 5th of September, so a bit over a week ago. I said potential swing trading opportunity. Oh no, where is it? Here. Potential swing trading opportunity on AUD USD. We'll be looking for bullish PA, right? This was the trade. This was the level, and there was the zone. Potential swing trade on USD. I'll be looking for bullish PA, so I was looking for buys from there, and then that, boom, is the aftermath right here. Nice little swing trade, 1 to 2, 60 or so pips. Beautiful. This is a swing trade though. I actually look at the 30-minute candle. Yeah, 30 minutes probably better. So when I'm posting these swing trades, you should keep an eye on them because they very often work out. Don't sell in GJ because previous supply broken. Seen line chart. So we've got Movies who's looking to sell GJ, and then we have Swami who is looking to buy GJ. So let's see how it plays out, man. We got people in the chat against each other right now. Who's gonna come out on top? I can feel it slipping away. And then we got Shiv saying, don't sell GJ because the previous supply is broken. So previous supply has been broken on GJ, so don't sell it. is what Shiv is saying in the YouTube chat. Interesting. Again, I'm going to say it one more time. USD CHF. Look for a retest of this level for buys. I'll post that in the what was it? USD CHF. Can't see because this mic is in my face. So today you cannot give movies. Movies fact. I've said it 3 times now to you specifically. You've asked the same question 3 times. There is no trade yet because we've just had high impact news on pound. All right. We're waiting to see what happens here in the market. All right. For the last time. If there's a signal, I will send it out. All right. You will see it. Joined the Discord. Check it. All right. Let me check it out. What's up, Kushal? Where's your chart? Bump, 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 bump. So remember that. Remember that, guys. We were looking for a retest on USD CHF of this level to look for buys. Buys from this level, all right? Remember. Oh, look at this. Euro USD tapped into this level. Rejection, heavy rejection. You're gonna see some downside, but what I want to see again is for another drive up into this level, and then we can look to sell Euro USD. I know that you see me. Da-da-da-da. I'm gonna post one more for you guys. Not gonna give too many away. I know that you see me. And then I'm gonna get out of here. Doesn't look like we're gonna get anything on GJ. Like I said, price is overall still bearish until we break this level. All right. Until we break this level. Once this level is broken, then price could potentially, right, then turn bullish. Until then, price is bearish on GJ. Doing it my way, getting my man again. My career. Never lover. GBB cat. All right, we got 3 swing trading opportunities right here that I've just sent out. I mean, there's a lot more that I'm going to be looking at, but I'm not going to give away too many, because why would I do that? AUD NZD with sales, this thing is going to drop for sure. For sure. GJ making complex head and shoulder in 15 minutes. Head and shoulders. Like an inverted head, shoulder. What would you say is the shoulder? Like this here? Shiv. I think Shiv's a girl. It's got a woman's picture. I know that you see me. You know what? I'll post one more. We'll post 4 because that's fair. 2 buys, 2 sells. All right. For old mate Tiger. There you go, buddy. What was this again? AUD NZD. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys are seeing all of the behind scenes action right now. On how I run the Telegram group. 555 people saw this. Jesus Christ. Jesus. She's living a lie. This I posted this AUD USD swing set up on the 5th of September. This is how the trade played out. No, I didn't want it to post like that, bro. I hate when it posts like that. Maybe like this. Oh, there we go. GJ. Yeah, man, that could be it. So make sure you go take a look at those swing trades I just sent out. So we've got AUD NZD, we have GBP CAD, we have Euro USD, and we have USD CHF, right? Some beautiful swing trading opportunities for you guys. And we'll see if this video, we're looking for this video to get to 100 likes. Broke 50 profit in gold with one lot. Nice, bro. Show us your setup, dude. Did you post your GJ setup? My trading week went great when you gave signal, man. I mean, I know people were just loving profits. I had so many messages on Instagram and Telegram and Discord. Heaps of people making profits after signals, after free signals. I best read this guy's message off camera. What was we looking at? So this channel, not this channel, this video right here, 3 wins gbpjpy weekly forex recap, this needs to get to 100 likes, and then I'll continue to post free signals in Telegram. We're at 55. All we need is 45 more likes, and we'll we'll get back to posting the free signals in the free Telegram. If not, if you guys don't want to wait, you can join the VIP right here, and I will post the signals in there without you having to like YouTube videos. It's up to you. I don't care either way. It is what it is. I'm still going to trade. I'm still going to make profit. I'm still going to do me. And if you guys want to follow along, then you guys can. Sure, Jane, what is your total capital? Well, that's a bit of a personal question. A bit of a personal question there, mate. She's living her life. NZDCAD is another one, right? NZDCAD. You could look for buys from this area, right? We already had one buy. I didn't actually on the AUD USD trade. I took profits right here, but on the on this one NZD CAD, I actually didn't take profits here. So this came down and hit my break even. So that's why I have my thing there. So it hit break even. So potentially again, we could be looking for buys from this level with the right price action. So we'll have to wait and see for price to dip down into this level a little bit. $80. Euro JPY. We could be looking for buys from here. But price has to come down into this level first of all. So nothing on there. What's this? Euro AUD. This indeed was a losing trade. I think this was off of, what was this from? Yeah. Okay. I understand. We could be looking at potential head and shoulders here on NZD USD, right? We've got shoulder, head, right? Shoulder in here, bullish, right? So you could be looking at a nice head and shoulders pattern here on NZD USD, right? Where you could be looking for buys. What you want to see is price dip down into this area a little bit more. And then you want to see bullish price action. And then you want to look to take your buys. So you know what? I was actually looking for sales in here, you see from this level right here, but this I wanted to, like, this candle was just too big to enter. Like my stop loss would have to be all the way up here. The risk reward just wouldn't be worth it, wouldn't be enough. So I didn't end up actually doing that, but potential now for buys from this level, right, with a nice head and shoulders. Just check Discord. I shared the chart. What leverage are you using? Are you talking to Kushal? Yeah, 1.5. Let's have a look. Here we go. This is Kushal Jain chart. So you took a sell, 30-minute chart, gold. So why did you take the sell? You don't have a zone there or anything like that? What leverage do I use? There's only one. There's only, in Australia, it's very limited. So I use FP Markets and the, oh my God. Jesus. I thought I was going to leak my password then. That was close. So leverage on FP Markets in Australia, because this is a regulated broker, is 130, I think. Account types. So I have the raw account. Yeah, so there, 30 to 1. If I was to choose an unregulated broker, then I would go with a 1 to 500 leverage. But I'm choosing a regulated broker because I have a lot of capital, and if it's in a unregulated broker, they could just take it and there's nothing I could do about it. So I'm using a regulated broker for that reason, to protect my money. Hopefully that it's regulated, my money is safe. But yeah. But I'm looking to get one of these accounts soon. A pro account. Maximum leverage. Negative balance protection. Personal account manager. VIP program. But I have to meet one of these criterias, right? Wealth test or experienced trader test. So, criteria 1, you have net assets of at least 2.5 million AUD. I'm very far away from that. You must be verified by a certificate from a qualified accountant dated within the last 6 months. Or criteria 2, you have a gross income for the last 2 financial years of at least 250,000 AUD per annum. Must be verified by a certificate from a qualified accountant dated within at least 6 months. Or you can do the experienced trader option. Demonstrate your knowledge of leverage trading by completing a short online test. Gross income of 100,000 AUD or net assets of 500,000 AUD. At least 20 trades per quarter. Minimum of 500,000 notional value in each of the 4 quarters of the last 5 years. Or currently work or have worked in the financial sector for at least 1 year in a professional position which requires knowledge of leverage trading. So it'll probably have to be this one because, or this one. Yeah, Richard, yeah, I know. Richard, you just want to see my indicators, right? What's up, Shiv? Oh, there's another Shiv. So we have to call you Shivang. Shivang. 3. Yeah, so yeah. Are you talking to me, Swami? Swami. Malik. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. You'll never guess my password. I promise you, you'll never guess it. Yeah. Spreads from zero spreads, right? So is HMF safe? I've never heard of HMF, to be honest. So this is my account here. So I have a raw account. How can we? So yeah, it's basically, if we look at spreads, where is it? Right, 0 spread. So if we go down here and we go to, they should have it here. If we go to GJ, you'll see that spreads on this is the raw account right here. This is the account that I have. It's below 1 pip. So the spread isn't even 1 pip, right? So we have a below 1 pip spread. I hope I said that in as many ways as I could, which makes sense. So 0.7, right? So not even 1 pip spread, right? Which is good. But then per lot, you have $3, right? And then it's pretty small leverage, but that's okay because I have decent capital. If you have low capital, if you don't have a lot of money in your trading account, this is going to be horrible for you. But for me, it's okay. It's not too bad. My indicator is my eyes. Check euro. Euro what? Euro. There's a lot of euro pairs, my guy. Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro CHF. HF markets. HF markets. Where is that based? HFM. Regulated broker. Okay. HF markets Cyprus. Wow. Never heard of them, but I've never seen a broker that's come out of Cyprus. Interesting. So is it this one, HFM, or is it this one, HF? No, HFM, yeah. I mean, it's regulated, so it's got some kind of safety, I suppose, but yeah. I mean, if you think it's okay, then you know, what? 1 to 2,000 leverage. What? That's crazy, bro. You know, people are gonna be blowing their accounts every single day with that leverage. Euro USD. What is leverage? I'm going to Google it for you because it's probably going to explain it better than I can just off the top of my head. Leverage, which is the use of borrowed money to invest, is very common in Forex trading, right? So by borrowing money from a broker, investors can trade larger positions. So for example, if you say if you deposit $500 into a trading account and you have a leverage of 1 to 500 or something like that, then it's going to give you your account is going to be like you've got, I don't know, what, like $5,000 or something like that, rather than 500. So what does higher leverage mean? So the higher leverage you have, the more you borrow off the broker, the more money you borrow off the broker. So if you deposit 500, you could be trading like you have 5,000. But it is nice, but you can blow your account a lot quicker, right? Because you're over leveraging. So you say if you enter a trade, if you've got a $500 account and you enter a trade and you use the full leverage and that's a losing trade, that's your whole $500 gone. Done. Gone. Completely. But if it's a winning trade, obviously you can make like a lot of money, but you know, it's very risky. High leverage accounts are very risky, and that's where most traders lose their money, with high leverage accounts. Euro USD isn't looking good. It depends what you're looking at. Oh, we got news here. Not too bad. You can see prices rejected previous daily highs right here. Failed to close above, big rejection. So Euro USD also had that opening candle yesterday, as you can see down here. Previous daily candle and weekly candle opened with no bottom wick, right? So we got that one bullish wick straight up. So there's a chance that Euro USD could be coming down to test in these areas. Interesting. Oh, GJ. I love GJ. You carried 4-hour breakdown? Shiv, you know, it seems like you know what you're talking about. How long have you been trading? Oh my god, I'm tired. It's so hot. And I've got a jumper on. 3.5 years. Nice, man. All right, you can see GJ has like retested this previous level of structure, and it's currently testing as support, right? And it's staying above, but now we've also got this resistance. So we've got support resistance. So we're in a range right here. So yeah, price just needs to break out and continue up. Or in terms of sells, it's probably have to be on this level, I would say. But GJ is looking very messy right now, and with this current price action, this current movement, the way things are kind of playing out here, this is a day where you just want to walk away from the charts. Not forcing any trades. I could easily post a signal for you guys right now, and I could say, you know what, if price comes above this level, we're going to enter buys, right? But that would be me with a 40%, with like 40% confidence that that trade's going to play out, and I'm just posting it to give you guys signals, right? And that's not what I do. That's not how I trade. If I don't like the way price is forming, if I don't like how it looks on the daily, currently on the chart for that current day, then I won't trade. And I'm not just going to post signals for you guys and give you losing trades when we can really just stick to winning trades, right? It might take a little bit longer. It might take a few days for the trade to play out. It might take us a few days for a setup to happen for us to take a trade, but it's better than just taking losing trades, right? We're going to wait. We're going to be patient for a winning trade, even if it takes days. And I'm going to give you guys the best setups, all right? The best quality setups. Quality setups. We're all about quality, not quantity here, all right? Quality, not quantity. You're in a trade? Shiv, which trade are you in? Is that what you said? About to enter gold. Interesting. One trade can recover all losses. Yeah, true. You're speaking nothing but facts right now. What was I just about to do? I was just about to do some, oh yeah, posting the Telegram. And what I want to actually do in here is put quality, not quantity. Yes, sir. What am I doing? Oh, I'm posting in here, aren't I? So I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna post one more swing setup for you guys. NZD/USD, is it? NZD/USD, yeah. GJ. Depends. I average 1 to 5 risk reward. So yeah, if I lose 1%, I can recover. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's the power of risk reward ratio. All right. GJ is, I mean, not GJ, NZDUSD is ready for buys. Oh, we can potentially look at sales here as well on CAD CHF from this level. We come back up, we had some beautiful buys here. Boom, boom, diggity. Very nice. But we can look for sales now. What's this? Oh, don't want to move that zone. Not much there. Don't like that. Don't like that zone anymore. So we can potentially wait until price comes into here. What's this? Oil. Well, we can look for a potential retest of this level here on oil. So we'll move that up a little bit, right? We want a retest of this level to continue bullish. Nothing happening on pound CHF. In a range, nothing happening on NZD/JPY, consolidating. Nothing happening on Euro GBP. Potential here on AUD CAD if we can dip down into these levels. Some buys. Should be nice. Where was I now? The DJPY. Euro GBP. GU. Oh, GU potentially. We'll keep an eye on GU. Sales. AUDJPY. Nothing. GA. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Euro NZD potential right here on Euro NZD once we dip into this zone for buys. USD JPY, not really liking that too much. We got a clean support zone right here. Euro CAD, nothing. CAD CHF, CAD JPY, nothing. AUD CHF, nothing. NZD CHF, nothing. Pound NZD, nothing. Right, so that's it for the swing trades really. GJ's in a slight range. Are you talking to me or are you talking to Shiv, the other Shiv? Shivara. My average RR is 1-to-1. I've always used 1-to-1 for intraday trading. For scalping and intraday, I use 1-to-1. For swing trading, I use 1-to-2 or 1-to-3. I would highly recommend you guys staying out of GJ for today. Do not trade GJ. There's nothing going on, right? Price is literally in a range. There's no price action. There's no volume. There's no trend really. Short, like on the 15-minute, there's overall downtrend from the daily perspective. But in terms of current trend right now for us to take a trade, if it's going to match with the overall downtrend, we want to see price start to break lower. So we can look for sales. In terms of like a short-term uptrend or buys, this range just isn't big enough. This is like 25, 30 pips. It's not big enough to trade. So I would just wait and see what happens today, and then we'll go again tomorrow. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I will be live again tomorrow for show with the setup. If we have any setups here on GJ, I'm gonna record we're gonna record the GJ strategy video for the VIP members. So if you're a VIP, you'll get access to my GJ strategy, or a glimpse at least into it on how I trade. So that's exciting for you guys to look forward to in the VIP group. Other than that, it's as you can see on GJ, it's been a very slow day, right? Very slow. Look at this volume in these candles. There's nothing happening here, right? Today on GJ, absolutely nothing happening. Walk away. Don't trade today until we see some volume, until we see some momentum and some trend form. Stay away from GJ. Don't trade it today. You're only gonna get caught out, trust me. So yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. And make sure you guys go ahead into the Telegram and save these setups, these swing trading setups, because these are some really good swing trading opportunities for you to keep an eye on, and I'll be keeping an eye on them as well. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for chatting to me, keeping me company. Again, I'm sorry there's no trade. Well, I'm not sorry. Like, it is what it is, right? This is the markets. There's no trade again today. It's a little bit frustrating for you guys if you're coming in here expecting me to give you a signal or whatever. I understand that, but I'm not gonna force any signals. I'm not going to just post a signal just so you guys have one, even though it could potentially be a losing trade, right? We're gonna stick to winning trades. We're gonna wait for the right setup, and we're gonna count our profits, right? So it is what it is. Can we talk on Discord? Yeah, sure. You messaged me, yeah? Was that you who messaged me on Discord? I think I sent you a message back. But yeah, we can talk on Discord if you want. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, GJ is absolutely dead. Right? Dead. GJ. Rubbish. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Have a good day. Don't trade. Stay away from GJ. Do not trade GJ today until we see some volume. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. All right? Peace out. What's up? Yo, boys. Market Auto. What's up, man? Yeah, GJ is trash today, man. Look at it. Nothing happening here on GJ today, bro. This is today all in all, right here. Boom. This is what's happened today so far. Absolutely nothing. Look at these candles, no volume. Lots of wicks, no volume. Wicks. We had a little bit of a move up here, but now we're just consolidating again, so there's nothing going on here. Accept the friend request. Oh, okay. Do I have to accept it? Can't you just talk to me? Hello. Agreed, no setups at all. Yeah, it's until we see some volume. Until we see some volume or a direction, any kind of direction on GJ, then yeah, there's no trades, right? We shouldn't be trying to trade this. This is just horrible, right? Horrible, horrible, horrible. Whenever you see this, you want to stay away from that pair and do not trade it, all right? So yeah, all good. See you guys tomorrow. Like I said, I'll be live tomorrow. Let's see if GJ provides us any setups. If not, we can still have a chat. And yeah, I'll record, like I said, I'll record that GJ strategy video for you VIP members. If you're in here, I'll get that recorded and uploaded as soon as possible, sometime this week. And then you guys can start to understand my strategy and how I trade, so you can better understand when I'm posting my setups what I'm looking at. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I know I've said that like 10 times now, but you know,